Understanding Slipping Pulley Belt in Everyday English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a rather interesting phrase, slipping pulley belt. This might sound technical at first, but it's a great example of how mechanical terms can find their way into everyday language. Let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase and see how it can be applied in various contexts. Slipping pulley belt is a phrase that originates from machinery and engineering. A pulley is a wheel on an axle that is designed to support the movement and change the direction of a belt or cable. The belt runs over the pulley to transmit power from one rotating shaft to another. When the belt is slipping, it means it's not gripping the pulley tightly, causing a loss of efficiency or failure to transmit power properly. In everyday language, slipping pulley belt can be used figuratively to describe a situation where things are not going as planned or when someone is losing their grip on a situation. It implies a loss of control or efficiency, just like in its original mechanical context. For example, if someone is overwhelmed at work and starting to miss deadlines, you might say their pulley belt is slipping. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. Ever since the new project started, I feel like my pulley belt is slipping. It's hard to keep up with everything. You need to tighten your pulley belt. Otherwise, you're going to lose track of what's important. The team's performance has been off lately. It seems like our pulley belt is slipping. While slipping pulley belt is not the most common idiom, it's a vivid metaphor that can add color to your speech. It's especially useful in scenarios involving tasks, control, efficiency, and the need to maintain a steady pace or direction. Just remember, this phrase might require a bit of explanation if your audience isn't familiar with mechanical concepts. And there you have it, the phrase, slipping pulley belt, demystified. We hope this exploration adds a new and interesting phrase to your English vocabulary. Whether you're talking about actual machinery or the machinery of life, it's a handy metaphor to describe losing grip on situations. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language is a tool. Keep experimenting with it, and have fun learning.